Welcome to our tutorial on how to copy cell values in Excel without copying the formulas within those cells. This technique is incredibly useful when you need to preserve just the data and not the underlying calculations. Whether you're preparing a report or sharing data with others, this skill will ensure your spreadsheet maintains its integrity. Let's get started with the detailed steps. First, open your Excel workbook that contains the formulas you need to copy as values only. You can do this by locating the file on your computer and double-clicking to open it in Excel. Once your workbook is open, navigate to the sheet with the data. Identify the cells or range where the formulas are that you want to copy. Click and drag from the first cell to the last in the range to select all the necessary cells. With the cells selected, you're ready to copy the contents. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard if you're using a Windows PC or Command+C if you're on a Mac. This command copies everything in the selected cells, including the formulas, formatting, and any data validation rules. Now, to paste only the values without the formulas, navigate to the area in your spreadsheet where you want to paste the copied data. It could be a new worksheet or a different section of the same worksheet. Click on the cell where you want the paste to start. Go to the Home tab in the ribbon, which is the toolbar at the top of Excel. In the Clipboard group, find the small arrow under the Paste button. Click on this arrow to open the Paste Options menu. From the Paste Options menu, look for the icon that represents Paste Values. It usually looks like a clipboard with the number 123. Click on this option. This will paste the copied cells as values only, meaning that the formulas won't be transferred, just the results of those formulas. Once you've pasted the values, it's a good idea to verify that the paste was successful. Click on a few of the cells where you pasted the data and check the formula bar at the top of Excel. It should display only the values, not formulas. And there you have it. You've learned how to copy and paste cell values in Excel without including the formulas. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific Excel feature you'd like us to cover.